Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpo terik mentau nailar arjar kat kendai. Kaladon ke jelang hakani ke nombak Shillong, hapadang ki he sorkar jong ke East Castles District Meghalaya. Bat ki he sorkar jong ki district nari Bangladesh, ki beran hakapot bat kari India. Hakani ke jelang ke belakot pelong da ke Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Castles District ke Kong Matsio Dorwar Nongbri, nakaleng ke jela lai don rengkat ru ke Additional Chief Secretary ke Kong RV Suchiang, ki Deputy Commissioner jong ki district ki beran hakapot jong ki niki Ari, ki Magister bat ki Superintendent of Police. Hadin ke jelang kinong pathai kubor ki layo ru banyakren bat ki head district nari Bangladesh bat kawai ni kimat ke dai halor ke jing trekam ki kenhon king atiar nakani ke jela ki batrekam bat pelong jakare haki kapor jong kari Bangladesh hakabana ke leng ki bor jong ke Bangladesh ru ki lapan sai bak kumba kalong menta om dan shu ki kenhon king atiar nakani ke jela Meghalaya kumjo nakani ke than chatai la mingi hi haki benta kapor jong kari Bangladesh. Kawai pat ke baki board district jong kari Bangladesh ki lapan pau haki officer jong ke jela Meghalaya. Kadai ru halor ke jingpen jaklia ya kiwa ki beto cari Bangladesh. Ke balakta sibon ya ke jinglong jingman ke Mariang hakani kari ke badan haki benta rithor. Haka bedai pat bat ke jingjor ke jingkhayitu ya ki masi na ki benta kapot jong ke Meghalaya. Syari Bangladesh nakaliang kini ki head district ki lapan pau bakam dan setia kum kata.
We must look into the measure and take necessary steps to make it convenient for all to use river water and to make sure that the water pollution is not occurred for the common interest of the people of both the countries. The existence of metallic components and some sort of pollution with coals and something like that in Gauki River and the bordering rivers. And Bangladesh and India in recent years have frequently shared information regarding this, and operations are there by the border forces. And in Bangladesh, I should rather say that Bangladesh has many times demonstrated its strong position against all kinds of terrorism, extremism, and with the two neighboring countries, Bangladesh and India, in near future we will also work together to root out all sort of terrorist activities, and we are Bangladesh never harbor any terrorist group in Bangladesh, and will not such type of activities in the near future. Specific information regarding any extremist group or separatist group, Bangladesh will certainly examine and take necessary steps as per law, so that our neighbor, our friendly country, India, do not suffer for such type of criminal activities in bordering areas or within Bangladesh. In future, we will arrange this type of meetings regularly so that the issues can be discussed in the meetings and it can be resolved. The last meeting was in 2015, as you have mentioned, and 4 years have already elapsed. But from now on, we would like to arrange this meeting on a regular basis, so that we can discuss the issues of our common interest and resolve any problem, if any. And no smuggling can be promoted, and we want to curb all types of smuggling or such type of activities, and BGP and BSF will work together, and we, the concerned people, will be aware of the matter, and we will work together so that no such type of smuggling or criminal activities can be occurred in the border areas.